Let's meet Mr. Andrew, lives in Covina. Few days ago, his iPad screen became scratched after falling from his hand accidentally. He was really upset and puzzled to make a decision like what to do or what not. At that moment, his friend Mr. Peter suggested him to go with an authorized Apple repair service center to get guaranteed repair service at the best prices. While searching online, he found iTech Xpress, the certified and most trusted Apple iPad repair service store near him in Covina. And being satisfied with their previous customer reviews, he immediately contacted them by dialing 626-777-4747 and shared his issues with their expert technicians. Once he visits their store with his broken screen iPad, they offer same-day repair service and replace the damaged screen with original spare parts. Mr. Andrew is very happy now to get back his device in proper working condition. Are you facing the same? Then take a look at https://ichexpressinc.com/ to know more details about their services.